YouTube, this person knows people, and I'm going to be showing you how to replace the hard drive on your PS3. And yeah, I got the PS3 only a couple of days ago, so I don't need to replace it. But if anyone needs to, I'll just show you how to take it out and stuff. So here we go. First, you remove this cover, and if you just use your fingernail and there's a hole, you pull it out. And there's the actual hard drive with the black screw. If you have the new PS3, it's a black screw. If you have the old one, it's like an orange or blue screw. So you just unscrew that. So there's a screw. Just be careful not to lose that. And then here, this thing comes out right there. Please move. I'll try to make this closer. You pull it out, and then you move it to the right, I think. Oh no, you just pull on it, and then you carefully pull out your hard drive. Now, I'm not gonna completely, how do you call it, take out the actual hard drive. I'm just gonna take it out like this, because I don't need to replace it. But to actually completely take it out, you take out these 4 screws on all of the different sides, and then you just put in a new one. Oh, and also I found interesting that since it's a Sony PlayStation 3, I thought it would have a Sony hard drive, but you can see there it says Toshiba, and you can't really see it because it's small, but yeah, you can't really see it, but it says made in China. So I thought that was sort of funny because I expected, since it's like a $400 gaming system, I expect to have at least a Sony hard drive and made in Japan or something like that. So yeah, and then when you're putting it back in, it just slides in, but then you have to remember to push it in, or else it's not gonna work completely and not gonna go in. And then you just hold on. You screw it back in, and then you just hold on. And yeah, it's a tiny, how do you call it? Yeah, it's a tiny hole, so you're gonna need to use like you can use a standard size screwdriver. You just need a Phillips head, but if you have a smaller one, use it like if you have some tech decks, the screwdrivers from those fit in there. So yeah, that was how to replace the hard drive on a PS3. And keep a lookout for more videos. I might be posting some new ones soon. I see you.